Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on adding bookmarks to Safari on your iPhone. This is super easy to do. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. To start, open up Safari on your iPhone. Go to the website that you want to save a bookmark of. Now tap on the share icon at the bottom of the page. Select Add Bookmark from the sharing options. You can name your bookmark whatever you like in the top text box, then hit Save. Your bookmark is now saved. To get to your bookmarks, just tap on the book icon on the bottom bar of Safari. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more iOS tips and tricks.